This is my 3D printer. It's pretty handy for making some stuff. It's I just built it out of parts I bought online. I made like little boxes for electronic projects. I make like fidget spinners. And this is a plate for an IFAC that carries first aid supplies. I made a couple of these. So 3D printers are pretty cool. This is mine. Also made this case. Holds the controls for another 3D printer I'm building. And then made this. It's a spool for filament. Printed more parts for building more 3D printers. Pretty handy tool to have. Make all kinds of plastic parts.